Hi guys!
So this is Felix from Germany.
Felix left his hometown near Cologne and decided to hitchhike to wherever the winds would take him. So he got his way down to Gibraltar and then decided he wanted to get on a sailboat. And his first experience getting on a sailboat was starting an Atlantic crossing. So
not with us.
Not with us. Got on another boat, headed down to the Canaries. Had a bit of a detour due to boat issues, but ended up doing 4,000 miles.
Yeah.
Quarter way across the Atlantic, back, and then over again, where he learned a lot about how to fix boats. But we met him down in Martinique when he got off of that boat and was just kind of cruising around the docks while we were working on Tengah. And yeah, 2 weeks later he came by again and we said we're heading north and there's a spot available if you wanted to join. So,
yeah.
Felix is probably the only 19-year-old without a phone or a camera. But he really likes to do videos and take pictures, so we lent him all our equipment and he made this video.
Let's do this shit! I'm Flexi. I'm now here on Tengah and I'm hitchhiking with them to Antigua.
It's a tough job being crew on Tengah, huh?
Yeah, but it's nice. I like it.
It's no diesel?
No diesel, only polishing some stuff. It's luxury here. Clean after on the floor.
That's done.
yes.
Nice! Whoop, boom! Okay, Mie, where are we going?
More shopping.
More shopping?
Yeah.
But we was shopping or not?
Yeah, we took one trip and now we are going on the next trip. And
Why?
to walk very far.
Very far?
Yeah.
How far?
I don't know.
Too
At the
far.
other end of the island, I think.
Yeah, I think also we must hitchhike.
Yeah.
Maybe it's better.
We should do that on the way back.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. I haven't done that in a long time.
Did you find your new dinghy?
Yeah, that's right. Sure.
Antigua!
Cheers. Welcome aboard. Cheers. For having me. Yeah.
Everything is good.
Yes.
Everyone is dressed nicely.
Without
Except
me. Without the hitchhiker, you know, like I don't. This is my best dress what I have.
it looks so good.
I know.
And
Alright.
it's almost clean.
Yeah, almost. But
You
this
make
is clean.
13 punches.
It was completely new.
All right, shall we?
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Cheers.
Ahoy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now the face. Look at the face. Look at the face.
Oh. Oh, it's so bad. Scott, what is this?